Here's how to start iPad screen recording with internal or external audio. You can do this without using any third-party app. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner, then tap the plus button in the top left corner of Control Center. Tap the Add a Control option and search for the Screen Recording shortcut. As you can see, the Record button has been added. Now, here's the interesting part. Recording with an external mic. Touch and hold the Record button until you see the microphone option. Tap Microphone and turn it on. That's it. Now you can start recording your iPad screen for apps, games, presentations, and more. Wait for the 3-second countdown timer, and you'll see a red recording indicator, which means your screen recording is running in the background. To stop the recording, tap the red indicator and stop it. The recorded video will be saved automatically in the Photos app. That's it! Bonus tip: turn on Do Not Disturb while recording, because everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. You can enable Do Not Disturb directly from Control Center. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video updates.